Connor was crossed. Why should Diesel have a new shape? He grumbled. A shape good enough for me is good enough for him. He goes galvanizing off, leaving us to do his work, and comes back saying how happy he feels. It's disgraceful, said Connor.
His work and comes back saying how happy he feels. It's disgraceful.
And there's another thing. Connor said Diesel horns too much. No respect for Diesel or engine ever whistles or horns like that and loudly at stations. It isn't wrong, but we just don't do it. Poor Diesel doesn't feel happy anymore. Never mind, whistled Percy. I'm glad you're home again. I like your whistling. Goodbye, Diesel, puffed Connor. We're glad to have you with us again. Connor said, but remember what I said. Honk honk. Later, Diesel stopped at Thomas's branch line. Hello, Diesel, said Thomas. You look splendid. I was pleased to hear your happy horn yesterday. Thank you, Thomas, said Diesel. Shh. Did you hear something? It sounds like Connor, said Thomas, and I offered to be Connor, but Connor never whistles like that, said Thomas. It was Connor. He came rushing around in a tremendous way. He didn't look at Diesel, and he didn't look at Connor. He flew through the station and disappeared. Well, said Thomas. Isn't it wrong, said Diesel, but we just don't do it. And he told Thomas of what Connor said. Honk honk! Meanwhile, Connor screeched along the line. The noise was awful. Honk! Choo-choo! At the station, everyone covered their ears. So Topham had to cover his ears too. Take him away, he bellowed, and stopped the noise. Connor puffed away, but he wouldn't stop whistling until the two fiddlers knocked on his top and knocked his safety valve. Last night, Connor swung into the shed. He was glad and empty. Thomas said, hi. Diesel said, is it wrong, said Diesel. Diesel said, but we just don't do it. No one mentioned horns or whistles. Next morning, Diesel was enjoying himself. No, I feel so well. I feel so well. He said, trickety truck, said him. Then he saw the boy. Hello, he whistled. Oh, he called. The boys didn't wait for take his color. He thought it was fun to drop stones on him. Instead, they broken off the glass, cried the coaches. The passengers were hurt, but they were cross. Call the police. No, said the driver. Leave it to Diesel and me. What will you do? They asked. Can you keep a secret? Yes. Well then, said the driver. Diesel is gonna sneeze at those boys. Honk honk. A lot of people were sitting at the station before the bridge. They want to see what might happen. Diesel has plenty of ashes. The driver, please keep all windows shut until we pass the board. Diesel has decided that as we walk onto a fellow, Diesel felt more stuffed up than excited. Soon he could see the boys, and they all dropped stones. Are you ready, Diesel? Said the driver. Sneeze hard when I tell you. Now, he said, achoo! Well done, Diesel, said his driver. Diesel went home, thinking that next time he saw Connor and the boys, he had to learn not to do the same thing too.